Hey guys, welcome to the Hamster channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the old hard drive into the new SSD drive. So first, of course, we need to download a software. We need to install the Windows 10 into the new SSD. So we're going to put the USB, which is this. But I already put it in, so I'm gonna put it in again. Okay. Now when it's time putting it in, by the way, this is for Uncle Jimmy's laptop because his son plays too much video games. It's in my investigation, but he told us to fix it for him. Well, we want to help him, but we made it into so much episodes. So I hope they see this video. Yep, let's get started. Of course, we need to download this. So it's called this. I'm gonna press yes. The first website, and scroll down here and press this number is here in the first one. When the send down thing, click it and press yes. And here you wanna plug in your USB, but I already did so. So here, right here, you want to press download first, and you press download. And I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna close it, and it just automatically download it for you. But I already did, so I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna press select and press select right here. So I'm gonna press this and open it. And we press start and press OK. And it should be doing the downloading. So it finished downloading, and now you want to press close it. You want to close it, and it should be done. So you just unplug your USB stick thing, and now you can install it now. The next step is that we're gonna replace the old hard drive into the new hard drive. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the old hard drive to this new hard drive, to this new SSD drive. We need a screwdriver, of course, and first we're gonna flip the computer over. There we go, and so it flipped over. My dad already got the battery out. So basically just do this and you get the battery out. And my dad also helped me unlock this too, like the things here too. So it's more easier. So we're gonna open it first. There we go. We're gonna put this on the side. Now, so this is the broken hard drive right here. And first, what we want to do is unscrew it, unscrew these three. So, so we're gonna get this off carefully. And this is the hard drive, so we're gonna carefully move to the left and try to move it. Oopsie, there we go. So the new SSD drive is much faster than this old one. So we're gonna replace it now. So like this is the power. yeah, this is the data and this is the power. So we're gonna carefully put that back. Carefully put that back. There you go. Now we're gonna put this back on, like so. We're gonna screw the drivers back on. Oops. There you go. And it should be good. Do it secure, okay. And now you're done this part, so you put, yeah, wrap the paper out. Oops, sorry guys. Then you should be done. And you're gonna put the computer back in here. Carefully. Make sure it's secured and screw all these on and you're good to go. So now when you're done doing the 2 steps, so you're gonna plug your USB stick into the computer and turn on it. So yeah, turn on it. And press ESC key on your on your keyboard. Start up menu, set up menu, and you press enter. Sorry. Language, yep, you just select that. These are the things, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna press next. So now you're gonna press install now. And the setup is starting, so now it'll appear this. And what you wanna do, you wanna press I accept the lessons terms. And you wanna press next. So here you wanna press the second one. And what you wanna press is so we're just gonna press next. And now it should be installing it. So it's done, but now it's finishing it up. And it's restarting right now. You could just press restart, but like I would just wait. Now we're gonna remove the USB stick, and it should like turn on because it's done restarting.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
There, and there it is! Yes! Okay. Oop, oh, you don't need to care about that. And this is just setting up your Windows. So we're just gonna... So you don't need this, so you can just do that. And that's basically all. It's kind of easy, but like this is Internet Explorer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bell, and make sure please like if you want to. But like and make sure to follow the steps carefully too, just in case, sometimes. So, bye guys!